Hi there and welcome to another video. I'm Raluca. Today I was inspired by the whole dark academia vibe. I was searching that aesthetic on Pinterest and I came up with this little makeup look that is warm brown and sort of a little bit dark without being like too dark and too grunge. I do sometimes listen to playlists on YouTube that's like the dark academia vibe, studying playlist, whatever, that thing that just plays piano music usually. Top tier. I really like that. So I was inspired to create a look by it. I hope you like how it came out. So this is it. This is the look, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. I did most of my face makeup. I applied primer, foundation, concealer, but I want to do my bronzer and blush and freckles, I think. On camera, I think this will suit the look. I'm gonna use the Revolution Ultra Cream bronzer. I think bronzer is pretty important for this look. I want to add some brown on my face and a little bit of depth, but more brown, like a brown color. This is gonna be brown. The eye look as well, it's gonna be reddish brown, so it's sort of this, it creates this coherence on the makeup when you add bronzer. Gently tapping it underneath my cheekbone. I like the fact that this just melts into the skin. Just applying some on my jawline as well, bringing it down my neck. I'm also gonna apply it right here on the other corner of my eye because I want to create that connection with the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna extend it towards my temples. Oh, and also a little bit underneath my nose. How could I forget? I already have a little bit of concealer on my lids that's gonna serve as an eyeshadow base. I have, I think, the perfect blush for this look, and it's the Sweet Cheeks from NYX in the shade Bombshell. This is a brown red sort of a blush, and I think the tone is absolutely perfect. I should apply this on the lips as well. This is the color that this look is supposed to be. Not using a lot of that. This is very pigmented. A little goes a long way, and I'm gonna blend it out with this Real Techniques Expert face brush. I was a little too afraid of it. Maybe I should add just a tiny bit more right here. I'm gonna apply just a leftover of it on top of my nose right here. It's perfect. Let me just do some freckles with this freckle pen. I'm not gonna go too overboard. I just want a touch of something. Now I'm gonna need to set my under eyes with a little bit of powder, but first I'm making sure there are no creases. And just stamping it there. I love this step so much. I feel like it makes the most difference. Look at that. Oh, I like bringing it down as well to set the pores area and the area around my nose. I think again that makes a huge difference, because if this area doesn't reflect the light, everything just looks so much smoother. Now let's dive into the most exciting part, which is the eye look. And lips as well. The lips are exciting. It's gonna be sort of like a soft smoky eye. I'm gonna add some brown warm tones. I'm gonna start with the black pencil though, which is from Maybelline. It's the Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil, and I'm gonna use it on my waterline. This is gonna be pretty dark. Not pretty. It's gonna be a little bit dark, yeah. I'm also gonna line underneath my lashes, the top ones. That creates a more intense gaze. See how that sort of shrinks the eye? It's really interesting. But it also makes it look so much more intense. I am blending with a tiny pencil brush, just to smudge the pencil a little bit, so it looks a little bit smokier. I'm gonna do a little wing as well. This doesn't need to look very well done. It can look a little bit smoky or a little bit messy, but I'm using the same brush to extend it into a little wing. I think that is perfect. The palette that I'm gonna go for today is the Naked Heat from Decay. It has all the warm tones, the brown warm tones that I need today, And let me start with the shade Ashes just to set this eyeliner into place. I'm gonna apply it sort of on top of the liner. It's gonna give it a warmer tone, and it's also gonna make it last a little bit better. I'm gonna take it across the lower lash line as well, just gently tapping it. Let me see, I need a lid shade that's gonna be again reddish, but I think this one is a little too dark, so I'm gonna mix it with something lighter, probably this light nude here, and that's gonna be spread across my entire lid. I'm applying it with a fluffy brush just so I can get easier coverage because I'm applying it all over. This is the Sigma E25. I'm happy with that shade. It's beautiful. Now, as the last step, I do need some sort of a transition between these. I think I'm gonna go for the shade En Fuego here. Maybe mix it with a little bit of Heat Devil to lighten it up a bit. And it's gonna go right here at the border between the eyeliner and the other shade, just to have a smoother transition. And then I'm gonna blend some more, just to make sure that I have no patches of color. One last touch to the eye look is inner corner highlight, which I only have matte here, but it's fine, I think it suits the vibe. Just trying to slightly brighten up this area, and I'll be finishing it off with mascara. First I'm curling my lashes a little bit from the base. That's a difference. Anyway, I'm gonna apply the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I really like how well this lasts on me. It doesn't crumble on the face, which I can really appreciate. Especially because I might be wearing this look for many hours. I'm applying it on the lower lashes as well. Yes. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna do on the lips. I'm gonna line first with this NYX Line Loud in the shade Ambition Statement. I do need a darker lip pencil. I don't have one at the moment, so this is my best option. I do think it's good though. It has this reddish tone. It is definitely good. Sort of reddish brown. Leans a bit dark peachy as well. And this range is so long lasting. I did say that this would go well on the lips. Let me see how it goes. The blush that I used might actually be a good option today. That is the prettiest lip combo of my life. Oh my god. This gave the pencil a little bit more of a sweeter red tone. This is perfect. I can't believe how much I like this combo. And it suits the look perfectly. Like, this is exactly it. Exactly it. Plus, adding the blush on the lips creates again this coherence in the makeup. It all looks all kind of blended together. The color scheme is the same, and it just fits. I really like this. So this is the look all complete. I really like how it came out. I'm in love with this lip combo. My lips are probably gonna start feeling dry pretty soon, but I'm gonna have a gloss on hand just in case that happens. I always apply a gloss on top after a few hours of wear because I can't stand the feeling of my lips getting dry. I don't say this often, but I'm really trying to grow my channel this year. Don't forget to actually like the video because it helps me out a lot, as well as subscribe, and optionally, please hit that little bell thing that will give you notifications every time I post. That would be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!